SOLAS Chapter 12 sets additional safety requirements for bulk carriers to reduce the risk of structural failure, flooding, loss of stability, and rapid sinking. It was introduced after serious bulk carrier casualties and works together with SOLAS Chapter 6, the IMSBC Code, the BLU Code, the ESP Code, the Load Line Convention, class rules, and relevant IMO standards. The chapter applies to bulk carriers according to their length, age, construction date, structural arrangement, and the density of cargo carried. Many key requirements apply to bulk carriers of 150 meters in length and above, especially when carrying high-density, solid bulk cargoes. A main objective is to ensure sufficient structural strength and damage survivability. Certain bulk carriers must be capable of withstanding the flooding of any one cargo hold. For older single-side skin bulk carriers, special attention is given to the strength of the transverse watertight bulkhead between the foremost cargo holds and the double bottom of the foremost cargo hold. Bulk carriers must be surveyed, inspected, and maintained properly. Cargo holds, hatch covers, side shell structures, transverse bulkheads, and double bottoms are critical areas. Where applicable, surveys are carried out under the Enhanced Survey Program because corrosion, cracks, or deformation may seriously affect safety. Chapter 12 also requires clear loading and operational information on board. The approved loading manual, booklet, and loading instrument must show cargo restrictions, hold loading limits, structural limits, and operational conditions. If restrictions apply to high-density cargoes, the ship may need to display the permanent triangle mark on the side shell. Before loading, the shipper must declare the density and characteristics of the cargo. This allows the master and officers to check local strength, longitudinal strength, shear forces, bending moments, hold loading, and stability during loading, unloading, and the voyage. Water ingress detection is also required. Bulk carriers must have water level detectors in cargo holds, forward ballast tanks, and certain forward dry or void spaces, with audible and visual alarms on the bridge. Pumping arrangements for forward spaces must be operable from a safe and accessible enclosed location. Certain older single-side skin bulk carriers carrying high-density cargoes may not sail with empty or insufficiently loaded holds unless they meet the required structural and damage survivability standards. In summary, SOLAS Chapter 12 improves bulk carrier safety through stronger structures, safer loading, cargo density control, surveys, water ingress alarms, pumping arrangements, and operational restrictions.